knotless braids, but like a little bohemian look on the tip. So I'm gonna create my own color little way, even though they didn't even have the ombre color in the store. If I would have ordered it on Amazon, I probably could have avoided doing all these, but it's okay. I'm willing to create some stuff. And then I knew that it was a lot of long hair in the store, and I didn't want it to be too long when I put the tips on, so it can come like waist length or whatever. So I end up getting like 18 inches for it. So we're gonna start it off. So I start off with the Ombre 30. That way I done had to buy like a pack of these, a pack of black hair, a pack of brown hair, and then the other colors I wanted to do. I bought like 2 of the other colors that I was gonna use with the ombre look. So the Ombre 30, and I am using the Shake and Go 4-pack free trace braid. I got like 2 packs of these just to be on the face side. Then I got the number 27 to add to the 30. And at the tip, I'm gonna do the 613, which is gonna be really dope. You know, get light at the bottom. And I'm gonna add the deep twist to the ends. So hopefully these look like the same color. Yeah, it's gonna go. It's gonna definitely go. So I'm super excited. So I'm just gonna clean up a little bit in my kitchen so I can wash my hair and start off with these braids. I ain't got nothing to do tomorrow, so I can at least get started tonight. I was gonna go to my mama's house because I usually go to my mama's house every 2 weeks and let her wash and braid me down. But since I'm doing my own hair this time, I'm not gonna be going. So Mom, I'll see you. I'm gonna see you Sunday anyway. I always see my mom every week so I can spend time with her. But yeah, I'm excited about this project. I think I want to do a press-on set to match my hair. So we gonna see y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all the process. I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, I don't know if I'm recording my camera or my other camera. For the hair process, but we're gonna see. But I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna start on my hair tomorrow. So this is what I did. I decided to braid it off in sections. So all I gotta do is part and go and braid, part and braid. So this is how it look. I put 6 on each side, split it right down the middle. So this is one side, this is the other. This is the braid pattern for the back. You can see it. So yeah, I'm gonna start tomorrow. This is like easier for me to braid when I section it off. So yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. So right here, you'll see me start on that first row that I section off, and I'm gonna take a piece of hair and put it between my pointer and my thumb, and I'm just gonna simply feed in the strands of hair, starting off with that ombre color, as you can see. And I believe I fed in about, how many pieces, y'all? I think like 7 pieces, 6 to 7 pieces. I think I started off 5 in the back, and then as I gradually went up, I started feeding in a little bit more pieces because I didn't want my braids to be super thin and you could see my scalp. If y'all ever seen those people who don't feed in enough hair and then they braids at the end be looking super skimpy, yeah, I did not want to do that. So in the back, I just fed in at least 5 to 6 pieces, and then I continued to braid down, and then I braided down until I got about to the brown, and then I started to feed in the 27, the light brown pieces. That way, you know, I could have that effect that I was going for. And I fed in about 3 to 4 pieces of the brown, the light brown. And then I went down just a little bit more, and I fed in that platinum blonde, and I fed in about 2 to 3 pieces of that. So I went all around my head, and you have to kind of eye it just to make sure that, you know, everything looks proportional. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did along the way up. And it's best to make sure to pre-section off your hair. That way it won't take that long, and it's easier for you. It was easier for me, super easy, to just go along of what I already pre-sectioned off so I could move a little faster. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I stay to the end so you can see the results, and just continue watching.
Chris Island. Chris Island. And I like to know what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I'll do. 'Cause I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I'll do. 'Cause I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I'll do. 'Cause I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I'll do. Chris Island. And I like to know what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I'll do. 'Cause I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I'll do. 'Cause I gotta do.
Guys, this is day 2 and I completed day 1. I am just taking that free tress deep wave and I am cutting it in half. And after I cut it in half, I'm going to take pieces of the hair and putting it on the braiding rack. That way it's easy for me to pull from and attach it to my ends. I do this that way I don't have to dip it, y'all. Sometimes I just don't feel like I don't be feeling like dipping my hair. If you want to dip your hair, that's fine. All you have to do is braid that in and dip it. But I just decided to add pieces of the deep wave to the end to get that wavy spiral curl look I was going for. And yeah, just continue watching and you'll see the results.
Chris Island.